Subscriber appreciation. Don't overlook thanking your subscribers. One of the core challenges with establishing a substantive presence on YouTube is the attainment of subscribers, which represents a primary driver for growing the visibility of your channel and the prominence of your videos. And although most YouTube developers understand the importance of attaining ever more subscribers, showing our appreciation to those subscribers is very limited, with the common refrain being that you show your appreciation by producing more quality content. And I fully agree that you show your appreciation to your subscribers by producing more quality topical content, given that is what they are invariably looking for. However, is it possible to do more? Especially given the overall importance of subscribers, not only to the success of your channel, but also your business, given the ever-growing importance of YouTube in generating real business and revenue for those capable of harnessing its enormous potential. So how does one go about showing increased subscriber appreciation? Now, this isn't made easy because the platform doesn't create a straightforward route to show your gratitude and thanks to your subscribers, unless they have taken certain steps of their own initiative and you know how to proceed with showing your appreciation. We'll go through the steps involved in thanking your subscribers and afterwards discuss the major impediment to subscribers being recipients of your thanks and the steps that they need to do on their end. From the developer's perspective, whether you are an individual YouTuber or a business, the process begins by logging into YouTube Studio. Once you have logged into your own account on YouTube Studio, you want to be on the dashboard and proceed to navigate to the card titled Recent Subscribers. At the bottom of Recent Subscribers tab, there is a button to See All, which will open a pop-up of those subscribers who have made their identity visible to yourself. The challenge here, which we will address later in this video, is that far too many people do not make their identity visible, given that the default setting would appear to keep one's identity private when subscribing, which we will look at changing later in this video. Now, once you are on the subscribers pop-up, you will be provided with a list of subscribers, which is set for the last 90 days, although by going to the top right corner of the pop-up, you can set the time frame and attain all visible subscribers for the lifetime of your YouTube channel. YouTube provides you with the ability to immediately subscribe to all of your subscribers. However, most of your subscribers are not creators themselves, such that this is not necessarily the appropriate course of action. Instead, if you navigate beside the name of each subscriber, you will be provided with a box that has an arrow pointing to the upper right, which you can click on, and it will take you to the subscriber's own YouTube webpage. Once you are on your subscriber's own YouTube page, you have the capacity to see if they are a video creator, such that you might then consider subscribing to their channel, turning on notifications, viewing their videos, and reciprocating them further by liking the videos that you like. Given that your subscribers have significantly benefited your YouTube channel and your own commercial enterprise, it is only appropriate that you reciprocate and appreciate their rising above other viewers and actually subscribing to your channel. Furthermore, on your subscriber's main YouTube page, if you click on More at the end of their channel description, you might be provided with contact information for the subscriber, such that you might send them a brief note of thanks. Nevertheless, the challenge is that far too many subscribers have not provided contact information on their YouTube channel or set themselves up as being visible when subscribing to other YouTube channels, which we will look to address in this next part. For a subscriber to be visible on the channels that they subscribe to, they need to have their subscription setting put on public. This is done by logging into YouTube on the computer. Now, once they are logged in, they look to navigate to the top right of the web page and click on their profile picture. Upon clicking on their profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear, and near the end will be settings that they will need to click on. This will open up the account page, which in the left menu will have a number of setting options, with the one to select being privacy. On the subscriptions option, you'll want to turn off the setting to keep all my subscriptions private to allow them to be visible when subscribing. Meanwhile, for your subscriber to provide contact information through their YouTube profile, they will need to have entered into their own YouTube Studio account, selected their channel from the top left corner icon, and proceed with their profile to input their contact information in the description, the links, and/or the contact info. The fact that you are engaging your subscribers and providing them with your thanks and gratitude, unlike most other YouTubers, has the potential to set you apart, thereby garnering their interest such that they are more likely to view your videos in the future and even seek out your business if they are in need of what you have to offer. Hopefully, this provides you with the means to thank your subscribers who are essential to the development of your YouTube channel and the business potential that is provided by utilizing YouTube to advance your own commercial enterprise. We also thank everyone that views, likes, and comments on our videos, as well as subscribing to our YouTube channel, and wish you all the best in our mutual endeavor to expand our presence and contribution through YouTube. Thank you.